We all are. My CM is also shocked. My Home Minister is also shocked. The entire government is shocked. The state is mourning for this. We are deeply hurt. It is our own family, all the members, the image of Karnataka, the image of Bangalore. Yes, we take it. We are not blaming on others, though it has happened very unexpectedly. We never expect, no one expected such a crowd. 18 after 18 years, I don't know what was boiling in the youngsters. They all came. No doubt, some decision was there. They wanted to come when they open. And that is all debatable. Things has happened. Now let us be a part of the grief. We want to respect them. It is our family members. We all are. My CM is also shocked. My Home Minister is also shocked. The entire government is shocked. The state is mourning for this.
Sir, a few minutes back you were crying, sir. You were narrating something.
No, see, of course, it is all of our family members. We never expected such a big this one. The image of Karnataka, the image of Bangalore has lost. The family has lost.
Which child, some mother spoke to you?
Yes, the mother said, don't do post-mortem, give the body to me. How can we do it? We have to take up a legal this one. Tomorrow something may happen, whether it has been done it in a proper way, whether it is not been, it is an accident, whether someone has stamped it, someone has stabbed it. That has to be, a report has to be come from the health. When post-mortem is done only, we'll know about it. Because I just checked the gates, what the things were there, how many gates were there. A lot of issues are there. I think the magistrates will definitely look at it. We are very serious in this. My party, even in the national level also, they are very much concerned on this issue. So let us, we'll try to find a solution for this.
So the permission, so the BJP is saying that the permission was not given by the
I don't want to react to any of this BJP guys. I am only answer to the people of Karnataka and the people of the country. All BJPs are all nonsense political creation. They are also the masterminds of all these dirty things. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಳ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು